What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Serena Love, and I'm back with another video. So today, okay. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Serena Love, and I'm back with another video. Okay, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe. Just make sure you subscribe. If you don't like the video, subscribe and comment down below. Alright, so let's get to the video. Today, I am about to make breakfast for my family. So today, I am about to be making some... Maybe I should just take the camera with me. I like it better like that. I'm going to show y'all. Let's get to this video. Alright, you guys. So, I done already put the oatmeal in. Y'all, I honestly think that these are the best. I think this is the best oatmeal. This is so good. Y'all should go get it. It takes 25 minutes to cook, but it's worth it. It's good anyways. Of course, butter, eggs, and some sausages. I've already put the biscuits in. They're cooking. You see that? Ooh, the biscuits looking good. Ooh, yeah, they look good. Hold on. Make sure they ain't getting burnt there. So, yeah, I got that. And I'm going to take y'all along with me once I get everything situated. So, I took the biscuits out, you guys. It's finally done. I had added some butter in the oatmeal or whatever. So, yeah, I'm about to put the biscuits on the plate, and then I'm going to put the sausages on. So, yeah. All right, you guys. So, I have the sausages cooking right now. I got the butter is inside the pot. And then I have the oatmeal right here on the plate. And I have the eggs right here because I'm about to put it inside this pot right here. So, yeah. You guys, this is the food done. The cheese is so great. The biscuits. The sausages. Like, that's good. The oatmeal. It's great.